Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, My Red, aka Maisha. I'm coming to you today with a quick video. So I'm going to be trying out another Patmcgrath Labs Lip Sculpt and Shade Contour Duo. We'll say Extreme. That's what the packaging looks like. This is the lipstick right here. So this is Elson. Very beautiful blue-based red. And then this right here, pencil, is called Extreme. And that's what that look like. So yeah, let's try this baby on. Alright. So I'm gonna go in with the pencil first. This almost reminds me of Current. So this is what we're looking like. This is the pencil. So convenient. Now I'm gonna just flip it over and I'm gonna use the lipstick. Don't turn it up too high because it will break and then you're gonna be mad. Now tell me what you think. I like this. It's still Elson or Elsa, but it's a little deeper because of the pencil. And that's what it is right now. So yeah, I'm about to go in with my concealer and clean it up. I'm just blending this out. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. All nice and clean. All right, that concludes my quick tutorial of the Patmcgrath Lip Sculpt and Shade Contour Duo and Elsa Extreme. Let your girl know what you think. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, Kisses. Peace out.